Welcome aboard the Norwegian Encore. Join us as we tour a Family Oceanview stateroom. On our recent 7-day Caribbean cruise, we stayed in a Family Oceanview stateroom and were amazed by how spacious this room was. This Oceanview category is significantly larger than a standard Oceanview room, making it a comfortable choice for up to 4 or 5 people. Or 2 people with a lot of clothes. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful cruise content. Starting on one side of the room, there is a king-sized bed that can be converted into 2 twin beds if needed. Each side of the bed has a nightstand with storage and a wall light that includes a USB outlet. Next to the bed is the first closet, which is the standard cruise ship size with shelves, hanging space, and a safe. Near the entrance under the TV, there is a small storage cabinet, although it's pretty narrow and not the most practical in space. Moving towards the middle of the room, there are 2 additional closets offering more storage than you typically see in a room. The first of these is a slightly smaller version of the standard closet, still with shelves and hanging space. And the second is designed entirely for hanging clothes with both an upper and lower shelf. On the other side of the room is the desk area, which includes 3 US plugs and 1 European plug. Under the desk, you'll find the mini fridge, stool, hairdryer, and a ton more storage space, including a cabinet and a dresser with 6 drawers. The sofa converts into a bed, and there is also an additional Pullman bunk bed that comes down from the ceiling. One of the nice features in this space is the curtain divider hidden between the 2 middle closets. This can be pulled across to create a separation between the sleeping areas. The bathroom is much larger than what you would typically find in a standard stateroom. It features a double trough-style sink and a shower tub combo. Shampoo and body wash are included, but if you use conditioner, don't forget to bring that from home. Overall, this Family Oceanview stateroom was an excellent choice. The incredible amount of storage space made it easy to keep things organized, and the room was particularly spacious. We highly recommend Oceanview staterooms because it's a great way to save money while putting more towards excursions, specialty dining, or experiences on board. What do you think of this room? Let us know in the comments below. We have the full ship tour of the Norwegian Encore as well as other ships linked in the description below.